Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup with Tailwind CSS design tokens to GitHub. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by opening your terminal or command prompt. Create a new directory for your project. Navigate to that directory using the command cd your project folder. Initialize a new Git repository by running git init. Next, create a new file named tailwind.config.js. Open this file in your preferred code editor. Inside tailwind.config.js, set up your design tokens. You can define colors, spacing, and other styles directly in this file. For example, add a theme section with your colors like this: JavaScript module.exports equals theme, extend, colors, primary, hashtag. Now, install Tailwind CSS by running npm install tailwinds. Next, create a CSS file where your Tailwind directives will be included. Name this file styles.css. In styles.css, add the following Tailwind directives: CSS at Tailwind base, at Tailwind components, at Tailwind utilities. Save your. To generate your CSS using Tailwind, create a script in your package.json. Add a build script that runs tailwind /styles.csso/dist/output.css watch. Run the build script using the command npm run build. Your CSS should now compile in the dist folder. Next, open your .getignore file. Ensure that node_modules and any build files are included to avoid tracking them. Now, add your changes to the Git staging area with git add. Commit your changes with a meaningful message using git commit m add Tailwind CSS design tokens. Create a new repository on GitHub. After creating the repo, follow the instructions GitHub provides to connect your local repository. Use the command git remote add origin your repo URL. Push your changes to GitHub using git push origin main or master. Your Tailwind CSS design tokens are now backed up to GitHub. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.